Saturday, June 12th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, it happened. Despite all my efforts, the brown came regardless. I told you, if this happened again, I was going to do something about it. And if this doesn't work, all of it has to come up. Look at it. Very embarrassing. Don't worry, I brought in reinforcements. As promised, I purchased the highly recommended Simple Lawn Solutions. It should open up the soil. I really need something to work right now. I hope this is it. I'll stick to the instructions. I bought a sprayer for it, right here. Oh yeah. So, we'll see. I need a miracle. This could be it. All right. The instructions state to add 1 ounce per gallon for every 1,000 square feet. I have less than that, but I'm putting in a little more. Might be too much, but I'm desperate at this point. Has somewhat of a smell to it. You'll notice it right away. It's real soapy, real thick. We're gonna do the right thing. Let's put our gloves on before using it, okay? The sprayer doesn't come assembled. If you need help putting it together, I have a video showing you how. No problem. Glad I could help. I love this thing. Just double checking the instructions. Not complicated at all. Simple, just like the product suggests. Again, I'm using a sprayer. You don't have to, but that's what I have. If you have a hose-in sprayer, that'll work too. So let's pour about 1 ounce of this stuff in my container and hope for the best. I recommend that you pour the water in the container or your sprayer first, then the solution. It's very soapy. I'm trying, guys. I really am. I don't like how this looks and willing to do whatever it takes to resolve the issue. Okay, it's in there. Like I told you before, if this doesn't work, I'll dig it all up. I'll even bring in a tiller. I understand it's the summertime and the grass is likely to stress, but this has been an ongoing problem for too long. Adding just a little more. This seems to be nothing more than soap. I want to show you how it fizzles. You see that, how it turns white? It's really working. Oh yeah, it's getting in there real good. I have a confession to make. Do you remember when I used the Revive? I was hoping to loosen up the soil with that. Well, after using it, I noticed that the grass changed, and not for the better. Maybe I used too much, or again, there might be something in this area that was used to fill in the yard after the city completed the work on the sidewalk. But that all remains to be seen. So I'm hoping this works. If not, I just do what I have to do. By the way, the instructions state to water the grass for 20 minutes after applying the solution. That's why I'm still out here. When I'm done, I'll show you guys those cheat codes I was telling you about a while back. What I'll do is pick up the white petals that fell over here, next to this plant, and over there. Wow, look at the lilies. Gorgeous. Simply amazing. Look at how that red pops. Unbelievable. Man, who would have thought? I remember when I planted this stuff. Now look. Breathtaking. You're probably wondering, well, what about the creeping flux? Give it a year. Might be too much water, might not be enough. But I can almost guarantee they'll turn out like this. You know what? I want to talk about these annuals. The petunias here with the purple petals. Great for beginners. They do extremely well in heat, the sun. Let me tell you about this. There were no petals here. What I did was add some lawn food and watered it in. Now look. Amazing. They do great. Try them. You'll like the results. I got up as much as I could. The bed looks a lot better now. Honestly, folks, this might be the last year you see these. I don't even know the name of these plants. I like how they look, but the petals, they fall in the bed and it's a lot to clean up. So this could be it for them. So I added a Greenscapes water check stick, and I'll do the same throughout the bed, except for the petunias. The instructions will tell you how far to stick it in your pot or the ground. After that, water your plants thoroughly. Minutes later, the sticks will turn green, as you see here. Green indicates that the plant doesn't need water. When it turns white again, that means you should water. Keep that in mind. That'll be it. Anxious to see what happens. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.